In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FTMO Account Statistics. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your performance data, how to read it, and how to use it to refine your trading decisions with confidence. FTMO provides two complementary tools inside your client area that together form your account statistics. The first is account analysis. Think of this as a clear summary you receive after a trading period, whether you're in a challenge, a verification, or already on an FTMO account. It brings together your overall profit and loss curves, your average gains and losses, your trade success rates, how you perform on long versus short positions, and even the days and times that tend to work best or worst for you. It's designed to reveal strengths and weaknesses over time, so you can see patterns that single trades often hide. The second is Account Metrics, a more interactive, real-time dashboard available throughout your challenge or funded account. Here you can track your equity and balance curves as they evolve, review open trade details, study outcomes and recurring patterns, add notes to your trading journal, and break down performance by time, instrument, and trade type. Used together, these tools show not just whether you won or lost, but how and when those results tend to occur. To access everything, log into your FTMO client area, head to the Applications menu, and choose Account Analysis for your historical report or Account Metrics for your live and historical dashboard. There's nothing to install. It all runs in your browser. Once you're inside, start with performance over time. Look at how profit, balance, and equity progressed across days or weeks, and pay attention to drawdown periods and consistency. Move to Trade Statistics to review your win rate, the average profit and loss per trade, and typical risk-reward ratios. This helps you pinpoint the setups or times that deliver your edge. Next, examine time and day patterns to discover which hours or weekdays tend to support better decisions. Then adjust your trading schedule accordingly. Use the instrument breakdown to see which symbols contribute the most and which ones consistently cost you. Finally, explore the P&L calendar for a color-coded daily view. Click any day to see balance curves and individual trades, making it easy to recognize what a disciplined day looks like versus one driven by impulse. Make this review a routine. Check statistics daily to monitor risk limits and equity drawdowns, weekly to trim underperforming instruments or fine-tune tactics, and monthly to evaluate overall performance and refine goals. Consistent, data-driven reviews reduce emotional decision-making and help you trade with clarity.